Camera, a car, and now a go-kart. I'm so spoiled. Better stop the gas.
Hello, mate.
What?
What can I do for you today?
Just fill it up.
Regular?
Sure.
You're looking awful lot like that leprechaun. The man's looking for you in the back.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He says he's a leprechaun hunter.
Odd.
Did you run into a leprechaun hunter before?
No, actually.
That's good. Let me just run into the back just to get a few things.
Yeah.
Once you left this here.
How many way needs to get?
I smell leprechaun.
And I smell sour milk.
It's on your feet. On your feet. Get up. You haven't seen the last of me, leprechaun.